When the world gets loud and I lose my way, you're the calm that makes it all okay. In your arms I found my peace. Every fear and doubt starts to release. No need for perfect, just something true. And every step I'll take with you, you're my partner for life, my reason to fight. Through the highs, through the tears in the night, I don't need the stars to shine, as long as your hands in mine. Forever starts with you and I. You're my partner for life. We've seen seasons change and faces fade, but our love never felt afraid. You see my scars and still you stay. You're my home at the end of every day. Through all the chaos, you still believe that love is more than what we see. You're my partner for life, my reason to fight. Through the highs, through the tears in the night, I don't need the stars to shine, as long as your hands in mine. Forever starts with you and I. You're my partner for life.
Kami na sa destination namin. Ayan, sila ang gamit namin. Ito kami sa Torres Farm. Let's go. Kami memories ulit. Unang gala namin 2026. Asawa ko. Didibot kami. Pasok ka na dyan sa sa airport. Ma, okay ka muna. Saan punta? Ha? Pasok ka na sa airport ha. Ha? Picture muna tayo ma. Wait lang. Let's go. Sige. Kuha ka na. Kuha ka na ng ticket. Ma. Kuha ka ng ticket. Sige, lagyan mo muna dyan. Oo. Yan.
Okay lang dyan po?
Oo. Bit-bitin mo na kaya. Nandun yung wallet ko eh. Uy. Kunin mo na muna. Kunin mo na muna yun. Bit-bitin mo. Let's go.
Mami!
Ito yung Torres. Ito pa siya lang naman.
May bayad kasi yung picture. May bayad kasi yung sa door. Kasi hindi ko din sa loob.
Ito yung iikutan namin.
Ayun na yung Eiffel Tower. Sasakay kasi sa ayun. Patapos na yun. It is sweet. Sweet siguro. Ayun. Ayun malap. Iyan pa lang. Ito pa lang nakikita mo. Ito pa lang. Wait lang, may ako yung paper. Bali mo po ako.
Let's go. Ayan.
Galing.
Happiest place in
Di ba tayo mga
Cavite. Let's go. Sakay kami sa golf car. Okay ka na mama? Ha? Saan ka punta?
Japan.
Ha? Japan ka? Yan na.
Sir, sakay na lang po tayo dito ma'am para mabilis po tayo. Cargo na lang po nito ma'am.
Tago mo na yun sa mag...
Inform naman po tayo sa terms and conditions ma'am. Wala po dalang anak po, speakers po ma'am. Bawal po kasi talaga sa labas. Then pag magsiswimming po ma'am pa po, swimming attendance.
Sige. Let's go.
Then po, inform ko na lang po kayo ma'am. Hanggang 3 lang.
Hanggang 11. Okay ka na. Let's go. Bigyan namin yung pagtawa, no? Let's go.
Eh, meron po tayong 5 na swimming pools po ma'am. Sir, ito. Nasa left side naman po yung ano po, Malaysian Legoland po. Sa right side po yung benefits po. Then doon po yung Greece. Then yung pinakamalapit nyo po yung sa Italy po.
Ayun. Ay ma. Saan ka?
Greece.
Sa Greece ka na. Bilis naman. Nasa Greece ka na kagad.
Bali dito po yung inyong cottage po. Umbrella type lang din po.
Ito, dito. Okay. Sige na, ma. Ay, may swimming pool dyan, no?
Pinakamalapit na kasi ito yung mamain.
Yun ang
Hindi
siya.
na lang po kung ano yung pwede yung kung ano yung pinakamalapit type lang. Hindi po ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, kuya. Thank you po. Saan tayo, ma? Gusto malilim, ma. Ha? Umbrella type daw. Sabay medyo malilim, ate. Sa ano, hanggang maghapon pag malilim na. Ayan, pwede na po tayo. Salamat po. So, syempre, mamaya kami mag-swimming. Iikutin muna namin to. Di ba? Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Anong bridge yan? Punta kami sa Eiffel Tower.
Tayo sa Singapore naman.
Ha? Yan dito ma, picture na kita dito ma. Okay, tignan. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ano? Ano yan? Ano yan? Singapore. Ha? Walang daan dyan. Tungok. Doon sa kabila. Ha? Oh, ayan. Ihaw Republic. Gutom ka na ba?
Tayo kakain ma'am.
Yan. Sa Ihaw. Ihaw. Oh, ayan oh. Eiffel Tower ka mo. Yan ay Eiffel Tower. Oh, okay. Dala mo yung inhaler mo. Hindi na dala yung inhaler mo. Yan, ito kami sa Eiffel Tower. Picture taking kami. Ayan. Yun oh. Ganda na asawa ko. Let's go. Picture ko muna siya. Let's go.
Marco,
Mama, ma. Let's go. Buhay ka ma. Ang nagutom ako ah. Okay. May Japanese kainan, no? Raiji. Ramen. Parang gusto ko ng ramen ma. Ha? Ikaw, gusto kumain na ha? Mamaya na. Maaga pa naman. Ano sa ba?
Ha?
Ano sa? Let's go. Ha?
Ay, Ben.
Hindi ko lang naman yung asawa ko.
Nasa ibang bansa.
Nasa ibang basa. Kailangan tsokolate. Na, ingat. Sarap. Sarap. Ang galing eh, no? Ang galing ng asawa ko, di ba? Namimigay. Kapiraso. Ayun o, marunong mo. Nagkagama. Hindi sa ako. Kamay-kamay, mama. Dala-dala pa yung gamit na pamalit namin. Malayo pa yung cottage namin. Ikutin muna namin.
Malacanang.
White House, ano Malacanang? Kailan pa lagi? lagi Malacanang yung White House, ano? Ano? Tower. Ay, hello. Yung sa Dubai ito, alam ko eh. Let's go. Picture tayo dito. Picture mo namin. Yan naman ako pwesto na kasama ko.
Ang susunod, pupunta tayo dito.
Kasama ko.
Yan mo, Torres Farm Resort.
Taka yung Malacanang. Ayan o. Malacanang ito sabi ng asawa ko. Lintik na yan. Ibig sa White House, lagi Malacanang sa kanya.
Resort niya.
Let's go. Ayan.
Resort.
Sana ako tabi sa Brazil naman. Pero syempre, sa ano muna tayo, sa USA muna tayo. Punta muna tayo sa White House. Malacanang.
Sa susunod nga.
Let's go.
Parang kaya mo na. Galing mo, nagagamot ka pa nga eh. Nagagamot ka pa nga.
Let's go.
Eh, hinihingal namin.
Pero muna tayo doon. Ayan o. Dito na kami sa Malacanang. Takinang yung Malacanang. Malacanang daw yan. Tawag lang asawa ko.
Ah,
White House siya, White House. Let's go.
ah.
Kami doon. Yun naman.
Oh.
Let's go. Okay. Diba? Ito kami. Ito na asawa. Let's go. Picture muna tayo. Galing ng ginawa nila rito. Oh.
Isang hektarya siguro.
Hindi lang isa yan.
Isang hektarya to. No?
Hindi lang isa yan. Masyadong malaki to. Kulang sa isa yung mga Station of the Cross about Jesus Christ. Ayan.
Resort. Tapos ganyan.
Ayan, so tara.
Tapos tatayuan mo naman.
Ito kayo pupunta sa ano. You know, sa Brazil. Pupunta kami ng Brazil naman ng asawa ko. Okay ka ma?
Hindi tayo lulusot sa Brazil.
Ayan. Iikot yan, paikot lang yan ma. Ngayon yung walkthrough na itong about Jesus Christ, oh, di ba? Oh, Papa Jesus. Yun ang nangangaral si Papa Jesus, di ba? Yan. Ito yung nabuhay siya, no ma? Ito yung pagkabuhay niya, no?
Pagbabagong anyo ni Jesus.
Oh, kaya yung pagkabuhay niya, di ba? Yan. Diba? Galing, galing. Ito si...
Huling hapunan. Ito lang.
Ito yung Last Supper. Ayan. Last Supper with Jesus Christ. Ayan. Siyempre, hindi lang kami namamasyal. Diba? So, galing, galing. Galing na pagkakagawa nila rito. Ito yung ano, pinaparusahan si Papa Jesus Toma. Ito, hi, doggy. Diba? Galing. Ayan. Saan ang Papa Jesus si ano? Cross. Yan yung ano siya. Ano ba? Galing. Ito na yung ano. Galing. Sa Papa Jesus. Sa ano? Sa cross. Ito yung mga Hudyo. Sige. Diba? Ito natin. Una ako na asawa ko. Ma, saan ka na ma? Hindi mo muna ako. Jesus. Ayan. Nasa ka pa. Picture ko muna siya. Let's go. Ito yung papasok sa Roger Rosa. Mystery of Roger Rosa.
Ay, naging ex mo.
Let's go. At yun, maandar kami, maandar na yung tren. Maandar na yung tren. Ma. Let's go. Bye ka na mama. Diba? Ngayon, tayo sa ano, sa New York naman tayo ma. Saka sa Egypt. Egypt muna tayo ha. Sa Egypt muna tayo. Punta lang ako sa Egypt. Ito Egypt. Ayan. Let's go.
Kalay ba ka?
Diba? Ayan, picture kami. Mahal na rin tayo na yun. Ayan, nag-tour ko. Miyakit kami dun. Parang castle na yun. Yan, may playground din mga kids dito. Ayan.
Madulas kayo kayo magtakbuhan.
natin yung castle. Ako sa asawa ko. Balik ko na ako sa cottage namin. Okay. Ngayon lang. Dali, punta natin yung show ma. Dali, para mapanood natin yung show. Nandun yung show. Dito sa building sana. Sa tulay. Ay sana, sa castle. Water lily, oh. Let's go. Bakit pa na ito ni Cinderella? Ay, si Cinderella, oh. Si Cinderella ba yan? Ito. Cinderella ba ito? Sino ikaw? Snow White. Snow White. Bakit pa na ni Snow White? Ibon tayo, di ba? Mag-iwan tayo, tingnan natin itong close saver niya. Di ba? Ito naman, puro parakit ang ano nila. Ang parakit. Hindi African love bird na, parakit. Okay, let's go. Kain niya. Gutom na to. So, tingnan mo. Ang kulit ng ano, no? Tingnan mo yung pangalan. Sogo. Alam mo, Sogo, no? Pati yung logo yan, no? Di ba? Nakakatawa. Si Ogo pala.
Bibimbap yan. Ramen.
Ay, mahangin. Mahangin.
Ako. Yun din po ma'am yung ninin ko, Daisaisu, Hawaii, tsaka po seafood.
Hawaii.
Ata namin natin isa.
Ay, ano po yung ramen ma'am? Sorry
Sa
po.
pinakataas.
Ito pa, spicy.
Ay, spicy ba yan?
Opo. Ito po yung din sir, Hawaii ninin po.
Hawaii.
Ito sir, with toasted garlic. Yung isa, okay. Isang ninin ko ramen.
Tapos,
May mga fried gyasa po tayo sir. Yaki.
saka ito, te. Ito to.
Yan, isang gyuk ninja. Thank you po.
Paano mo rin ako extra rice?
Isang rice po.
Kaya naman naman. Ito yung logo dito.
Shogo.
Alam ko sogo. Kulit eh.
Yan yung binibenta ni ano dati, yung Shogo. Yung binibenta sa atin ni ano, yung ano ni Ledres.
Okay, kami na. Ito na yung order namin. Ayun na kami. Sorry ah. Sakto na ang
Extra rice.
Thank you. Kumain lang. Tara. Sa kanya. Ito. Buk na kami rito. Nasa kami, Torres Bank. Night Cavite. Unang gala namin magkasama. 2026. Unang live na. Okay, ano na kami. Bye. Kanto ang mga kids din dito. Yung mga playground din sila rito. Sa mga bata. Yan. Let's go. Carousel din sila. Sakay ka sa carousel, ma? Gusto kayo sa carousel? So swimming naman muna kami. Tingnan na. Lublog ka na. Ito. Yung pambata. O, saan ka pupunta mo? Ito, huy! Saan punta? Saan punta? Malayo ka, ito. Talamig lang ako na rito. Ang irala eh.
Ay, ito pala yun. Tatalunin ko, malunod na.
Shower na siya. Ha? Bakit? Eh, paglusong mo rin yun, wala na naman yan. Hindi na maglumig yan. Ha? Ito ma, baka dito, hindi malamig. Sa kabila side. Ayan. Ha? Hindi. Lifeguard sila rito. Okay. Lamay ka na dito. Yung ano mo, bracelet mo, saka mapatid. Ito ka sa kabila side. Ito 2 feet lang oh. Ayan, pambata. Bata ka pa naman eh. Bata isip.
Nainian.
Padulas ka doon ah. Padulas ka. Ayun, slide ka oh. Baba, tatakot ka pa. Babaw lang. Ayun. Ha? Ang gamit natin. Ang gamit natin mawala. Maaw ka ba yung drone ko mo? Meron isang swimming pool yata doon sa kabila. Sa kabilang side. Naka-swimming attire na yung asawa ko. Di ba? Oo. Yun daw sa may ano, bubble show. Ayan, bilang malaki swimming pool. Let's go. Ayan. May bubble show ngayon dito. Yan, ayan. Stig. Diba? Galing, no? Picture kita. Happy asawa ko. Taho. 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 Punta kami sa kabilang swimming pool naman ulit. Sa kabila naman, kabila. Let's go. Ayan. Dito naman kami sa swimming pool ng Greece. Liliguan daw niya yung Greece. Yung swimming pool ng Greece. Diba? Ito walang tubig yun. Ma, picture ka ma. Tingnan mo na. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Layo ah. Ito, isang klaseng swimming naman to. Nasaan ka naman, ma? Nasaan ka? Oo. Tibol siya, masakit talaga yan. Punta ka daw, ma, picture na kita. Nasaan ka? Sa Amazonan naman to, Amazon. Amazon pool, ma. No. Nasa Amazon ka, ma. Ha? Amazon pool ba to? Tawag dito? Wow. May sirena sa Amazon. Thanks. Ikutin namin to. Ikutin namin Pilipinas. Saan tayo?
iPhone.
Ha? Sa iPhone lang tayo. Sige. Saan tayo? Lakad. Yeah, mamaya na kayo magsiswimming. Ikutin namin ang buong mundo. So, sa isang araw. Diba? So, mamaya magsiswimming kayo mamaya. Let's go. Okay ka naman dyan. Ali. Okay. Diba? Mamaya papalipad tayo drone.
Picture mo.
Ha? Picture ka na. Dapat may isang cellphone na pagka-picture. Ano yun? Isang swimming pool naman nila ulit. Diba? Maraming swimming pool dito. Nag-enjoy yung family niya. So next, dito namin dadala yung aming mga senior. Yung family namin. Yan. Dadali namin ni mama. Family ko. Family rin niya. Ang mga anak namin. Isa pa. Okay na. Dito sa lugar na to, pwede kayong mamasyal lang, hindi mag-swimming, picture, marami kayong pwedeng puntahan dahil malaki po to. At kasi yung mas package na, dadagdag lang kayo ng 40 pesos, pwede na kayo mag-swimming sa entrance nyo, diba? Kaya kami, ganun ginawa namin. Tapos pili lang kayo ng cottage nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo cottage. Alright?
Love's the only truth I know. You're my partner for life, my reason to fight. Through the highs, through the tears in the night, I don't need the stars to shine as long as your hands in mine. Forever starts with you and I. You're my partner for life.
Sa pangarap, laging kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Wala nang ibigin pang iba.
Siyempre, sawa ko yan.
Told you the right words
Kaya late.
at the right time. You'll be mine. Baby, can I hold you tonight?
Mahal na mahal ko yan.
Maybe if I told at the right time. You'll be mine. You'll be mine.
Mama, tingnan naman dito, ma.
Talking to myself, a reason I can find why everything went wrong. I've been trying to, I just don't know if I can still do wrong. I wanted you to stay, the tears began to show. You said you cared for me, but then you had to go. And now I know
Kaway ka na, mama.
you're gone. I don't want to remember the things we used to do, and all the things that remind me of you.
Sino mo? Ito may lakad dito, ano? So,
Medyo tanga lang sila. Ayan,
Yan na.
perfect.
iyan na. Ang galing, ah. Ito may lakad, oh. Oh, hip-hop, eh, no? Hip-hop, eh. Thanos, oh. Oh, enjoy yung ali, oh. Enjoy ka ba, ma? Love you, ma. Kaway ka na, mama. Hello. Wow, kamay. Wow. Let's go. Ay, Ale. Para ka nasa luneta lang, ah. Nasa ka ba? Nasa luneta ka ba? Sarap ng upo mo siya, men. Diba? Ganda rin sa lugar na to. Oh, di ba? Yan yung Christ of the Redeemer. Alright. Let's go. Dito kami sa Great Wall of China. Ayan, oh. Pasok kami dito sa Great Wall of China. Let's go. Pasok na, ma. Ayan, oh, tama ako. Oh. Diba? So kami sa Great Wall of China. Diba? Kaya ka, ma. Lakas ng hangin. Mahirap pala pero yung drone baka malubog sa sa tubig. Let's go. Oh, ha? Alin? Anong malaki? Anong malaki?
Prutas.
Ano yan? Suha yan.
Tang ina suha yan. Laki.
Oo, suha yan. Oo. Suha o pomelo? Pomelon siguro. Ayun, lalaki na prutas. Oh, di ba? Paglakad na kami sa Great Wall of China. Diba? Nakapaglakad ka na sa Great Wall of China, ma. Oh, ha? Let's go. Okay ka naman. Oh, picture na kita. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Isa pa, may doon sa kabila. Naglagpas ang dalawang bata. Okay, ma. Dito, ma. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yan, Egypt. Statue of Liberty. Alright.
I can't count the times I almost said what's on my mind, but I didn't. And just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd say, but I couldn't. I just couldn't. Baby, I know that you've been wondering. So here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. The way you look tonight, that second glass of wine, that did it. There was something about that kiss, girl, it did me in. Got me thinking, I'm thinking all of the things that I've been feeling. It's time you hear 'em. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, you got all of me. I belong to you. Yeah, you're my everything. In case you didn't know, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. Yeah, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, no, no. In case you didn't know.
From the first hello, I knew it was real. A steady flame that time can't steal. I see tomorrow when I see your face. Every moment with you is a sacred place. No road too long, no night too cold. With you beside me, I'm never alone. I give my forever to you. Every sunrise, every sky so blue. With all my strength and all I am, I hold your heart within my hands. Through joy, through trials, through all we do, I give my forever to you. We've built a dream with love as the ground, a gentle peace I finally found. And when the storms come, I'll stand tall. Your name's the reason I'll never fall. No fear can shake, no time undo the promise I made the day I met you. I give my forever to you. Every sunrise, every sky so blue. With all my strength and all I am, I hold your heart within my hands. Through joy, through trials, through all we do, I give my forever to you. If the stars should fade and the night grows long, our love will still carry on. For every breath, for every day, my heart will never walk away. I give my forever to you. Every sunrise, every sky so blue. With all my strength and all I am, I hold your heart within my hands. Through joy, through trials, through all we do, I give my forever to you. For all of time, for all that's true, I give my forever to you. Oh, oh, oh. We've walked through miles of open road, with dreams in our hands and love to show. Through the days of laughter, through the nights of pain, we built a life, weathered every rain. And every tear we've shed, every fear we've faced, we found each other, no time could erase. From the darkest hours to the brightest light, you've held me close, you've made it right. My wife, we've come so far, from the first spot to where we are. Through the sorrow, through the fight, we've built this love, we've made it right. Hand in hand we rise above, in the darkest times we found our love. Through it all we've held on tight. My wife, you are my light. Remember the nights when we were scared to dream. We held each other close, let our hearts just scream. And when the world felt heavy and hope seemed far, we found strength in who we are. Through every battle, every step we took, in each other's eyes we found our book. You've been my home, my heart, my guide. With you beside me, I'll never hide. My wife, we've come so far, from the first spot to where we are. Through the sorrow, through the fight, we've built this love, we've made it right. Hand in hand we rise kept the fire burning bright. You held my hand, I held your heart. And that's where we've been from the very start.
Every night I dream your name, like a fire I can't contain. You're the whisper in my veins, the calm before the rain. Every step I take I see a shadow of you next to me. In your eyes I found my home. Now I'm lost when I'm alone. You're the song that keeps me breathing, every word my heart believing. When the world feels cold and cruel, your love's the only truth. I'm yours when the lights go down, when the rain starts falling all around. Hold me close, don't let me fade away. I'm yours forever and always. Every scar is turned to gold from the stories we've both told. Your touch rewrites my broken past, a love that's built to last. When I fall apart inside, you pull the stars back in the sky. Every piece of me you mend, you're my beginning and my end. Even if the night feels endless, your light finds me in the darkness. Every breath I call your name, love like ours will never change. I'm yours through the fire and pain, through the joy, the loss, the rain. If forever has your name, then I'm yours, I'll never change. If tomorrow never comes, I'll still love you through the sun. Every heartbeat, every tear, you're the reason I'm still here. I've been searching through my fears for a love that's crystal clear. Now I see it in your eyes, like the stars that never die. Every promise that we made, every night I'm not afraid. You're the prayer I used to say, you're my forever anyway. I'm yours when the world feels cold and my hands grow weak and old through the time that takes its toll. I'm yours, body, heart, and soul. I'm yours till the end of days, when my voice begins to fade. Every breath that's left in me belongs to you completely. I'm yours. I'm yours. When the stars forget to shine, you'll still be the reason. I will trust in your plan, I will rest in your grace. Even when I can't see, I will walk by faith. You are good, you are kind, you are faithful and true. So I'll trust in your plan, I'll surrender to you. When the storm rolls in and the night feels long, still your love remains. You are my song Through every trial, through every test, I will believe that your way is best. Every tear, every fear, you hold it all. In your hands I will stand, I won't fall. I will trust in your plan, I will rest in your grace. Even when I can't see, I will walk by faith. You are good, you are kind, you are faithful and true. So I'll trust in your plan, I'll surrender to you. Your ways are higher, your thoughts are deep. You hold my future, you see what I can't see. So I'll lay down my worries, I'll lift up my hands. I know you are working, I trust in your plan. I will trust in your plan, I will rest in your grace. Even when I can't see, I will walk by faith. You are